What's up guys, welcome back to another video, and in this quick video I will show you how you can turn on or set a spending limit in the Revolut app. So let's get started. Now this limit will affect all the credit or debit cards that you currently have on Revolut, so do keep that in mind. Now to set a spending limit on Revolut, first just go ahead and open up your profile menu by tapping on your profile icon in the upper left corner. Once you're on your profile menu, just go ahead and scroll down until you can see the security tab, this one right here. So let's open up security. On the security tab, you would need to select card security right here, the first option. And on this screen, you would need to choose which card you want to set the limit for. So you can either set it for a virtual card or a physical card. Now I will select my physical card, and right here you would be able to select the spending limit. So let's go ahead and select that. Now on the spending limit settings, here all you would need to do to enable a spending limit is first just tick this on and then input the monthly spending limit you would like to set. So let's say 500 euros. Now just go ahead and tap on set limit, and there we go. Now my monthly limit is 500 euros that I can spend using this card from my Revolut balance, and currently I have spent about 9 euros. So essentially guys, that's how you can set a spending limit on the Revolut app. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.